You plant cucumbers every season. Vines grow fast, leaves spread everywhere, and the raised bed looks healthy cucumbers. But after a few weeks, production slows down. Leaves turn yellow, and harvest suddenly becomes disappointing cucumbers. And no matter how much water or fertilizer you add, the plants stop producing fresh cucumbers regularly harvest. This is exactly where most gardeners realize something inside their growing system is quietly failing cucumbers. But deep in Amish country, one small raised bed can produce hundreds of cucumbers during a single season. Cucumbers. Small wooden beds, simple soil, and basic gardening tools somehow create non-stop cucumber harvest for months. Cucumbers. And the surprising part is, these growers are using traditional methods older than most modern gardening systems garden. Which raises one important question that every gardener should seriously ask themselves today: cucumbers. What exactly are Amish growers doing differently that allows one raised bed to produce massive cucumber harvest cucumbers? Because clearly, this is not about expensive fertilizers, commercial farming tools, or complicated greenhouse equipment. Garden cucumbers. This is about understanding how cucumbers actually grow and building systems supporting non-stop healthy cucumber growth. Cucumbers. And once you understand this system, your entire approach to gardening begins changing completely forever. Cucumbers. Comment cucumbers if you want bigger harvest from one raised bed this season. Cucumbers. Most gardeners think cucumbers need huge garden space to produce large harvests throughout the growing season. Cucumbers. So they spread vines everywhere across the ground, believing more space automatically means more cucumber production. Garden cucumbers. But this creates one major problem that quietly destroys harvest without most people noticing the mistake. Cucumbers. The vines waste energy spreading outward instead of focusing energy on growing healthy, productive cucumbers. Harvest. Amish growers think differently about how cucumber plants should grow inside limited garden space. Raised bed cucumbers. Instead of letting vines crawl randomly, they guide growth upward using simple, vertical growing systems. Trellis cucumbers. This increases sunlight exposure, improves airflow, and keeps cucumber plants healthier during humid summer weather. Cucumbers. And healthier plants continue producing cucumbers much longer without slowing down from disease or stress. Cucumbers. Most gardeners never realize how much harvest they lose by growing cucumbers directly on the ground. Garden cucumbers. Ground vines trap moisture underneath leaves, increasing disease pressure and damaging cucumber plant health over time. Cucumbers. Wet leaves, poor airflow, and crowded vines slowly weaken plants until cucumber production suddenly drops. Harvest cucumbers. And this is why many cucumber plants stop producing long before the season actually ends. Cucumbers. Amish growers solve this problem using simple wooden stakes, fencing, or handmade cucumber trellis systems. Garden cucumbers. The vines climb upward naturally, allowing sunlight to hit more leaves throughout the entire growing season. Cucumbers. Better sunlight means stronger energy production inside the plant, leading to faster cucumber growth. Harvest cucumbers. And this vertical system transforms one small raised bed into a high-output cucumber growing machine. Cucumbers. Like this video if you want more cucumbers from smaller garden spaces this season. Cucumbers. But the real secret behind non-stop cucumber harvest actually begins underneath the surface, inside healthy garden soil. Soil cucumbers. Most gardeners focus only on fertilizer, seeds, and watering while ignoring what happens below ground. Garden soil. And this is where most cucumber growing problems secretly begin without gardeners realizing the damaged soil. Cucumbers. Weak soil creates weak roots, and weak roots always lead to weak cucumber plants. Harvest cucumbers. Amish growers build deep, healthy soil months before cucumber seeds ever enter the raised bed compost soil. They mix aged compost deeply into the soil instead of only sprinkling fertilizer across the surface. Compost cucumbers. This compost becomes rich with microbial life that feeds cucumber roots slowly throughout the entire growing season soil. And this creates stable conditions where plants continue producing cucumbers without sudden stress or nutrient crashes. Cucumbers. Most gardeners make the mistake of overfeeding cucumber plants with strong nitrogen fertilizers, cucumbers. This creates huge green leaves and fast vine growth, but surprisingly fewer cucumbers during harvest season cucumbers. The plant becomes focused on leaf production instead of directing energy toward growing healthy cucumber fruit harvest cucumbers. And gardeners mistake giant vines as success while actual cucumber harvest quietly continues shrinking cucumbers. Amish growers focus instead on balanced soil that feeds cucumber plants slowly and naturally over time, soil cucumbers. This steady nutrition keeps cucumber plants healthy without creating unstable bursts of rapid, unhealthy vine growth cucumbers. And stable, healthy vines continue flowering and producing cucumbers much longer throughout the growing season harvest cucumbers, which becomes one major reason their raised beds stay productive while others stop producing early cucumbers. Comment soil if you never realized healthy cucumber harvest begins underneath the ground soil cucumbers. Now here comes another mistake, secretly cutting cucumber harvest nearly in half inside raised beds cucumbers. Most gardeners overcrowd cucumber plants because they think more plants automatically create more cucumber production raised bed cucumbers. But overcrowding blocks airflow, traps moisture, and increases disease pressure inside the cucumber growing system, cucumbers. And stressed, overcrowded plants stop producing cucumbers much earlier than healthy, balanced cucumber vines harvest cucumbers. Amish growers plant fewer cucumber plants but support them using strong vertical growth systems, trellis cucumbers. This gives every leaf better sunlight exposure while maintaining healthy airflow around growing cucumber vines cucumbers. And healthy airflow dramatically reduces mildew problems that normally destroy cucumber plants during hot, humid weather, cucumbers, which allows cucumber plants to continue producing fresh cucumbers week after week without slowing down harvest cucumbers. Most gardeners notice cucumber plants producing heavily early in the season before suddenly slowing production cucumbers. But here is what most people never understand about continuous cucumber harvest inside raised garden beds cucumbers. Cucumber plants stop producing mainly because stress interrupts flowering and damages future fruit development harvest, cucumbers. And stress usually comes from inconsistent watering, poor airflow, or unstable soil conditions inside raised beds, cucumbers. Amish growers protect cucumber plants from stress, using thick mulch around every raised bed cucumber plant mulch, cucumbers. They spread straw or hay deeply around the base of plants to protect roots and hold moisture mulch. This keeps soil cooler during summer heat, while reducing water evaporation from raised garden beds, soil cucumbers. And stable moisture levels allow cucumber plants to keep flowering continuously throughout the growing season cucumbers. Most gardeners water lightly every single day, believing constant moisture helps cucumbers grow faster. Water cucumbers. But shallow watering creates weak surface roots that dry quickly during hot weather inside raised beds cucumbers. Weak roots lead to stressed plants, and stressed cucumber plants quickly stop producing healthy fruit harvest cucumbers. And this becomes one hidden reason. Cucumber harvest suddenly slows during peak summer temperatures. Cucumbers. Amish growers water deeply but less frequently, allowing moisture to move downward into deeper garden soil. Water cucumbers. This trains cucumber roots to grow deeper where moisture remains stable during dry summer conditions. Soil cucumbers. Deeper roots create stronger plants capable of producing cucumbers longer without suffering heat stress. Cucumbers. And stronger, healthier plants always create longer cucumber harvest inside small, raised garden beds. Harvest cucumbers. Like this video if you want cucumber plants producing all season without stopping. Harvest cucumbers. Now let's talk about something most gardeners completely ignore while growing cucumbers inside raised beds. Pruning cucumbers. Many cucumber plants become overloaded with old leaves, damaged vines, and unnecessary growth during summer cucumbers. This blocks sunlight, traps moisture, and reduces airflow around healthy developing cucumber fruit harvest cucumbers. And slowly, the entire cucumber plant begins losing energy and stopping healthy fruit production. Cucumbers. Amish growers regularly remove damaged leaves and weak lower growth from cucumber vines, pruning cucumbers. This improves airflow, increases sunlight penetration, and helps cucumber plants stay healthier much longer. Cucumbers. The plant focuses energy toward fresh growth, healthy flowers, and non-stop cucumber production during the season. Harvest cucumbers. And this simple maintenance dramatically increases how long cucumber vines continue producing fresh harvest cucumbers. Another powerful Amish trick involves harvesting cucumbers earlier and more frequently during the growing season. Cucumbers. Most gardeners leave cucumbers growing too long on the vine before finally picking them. Harvest cucumbers. But oversized cucumbers signal the plant to slow future flower production and reduce new cucumber growth. Cucumbers. And this quietly reduces the total number of cucumbers your raised bed can produce. Overall. Harvest cucumbers. Amish growers harvest cucumbers while still medium-sized, tender, and actively growing on healthy vines. Cucumbers. This encourages plants to continue producing more flowers and setting more cucumber fruit. Continuously harvest cucumbers. The more consistently cucumbers are harvested, the more aggressively plants continue producing fresh cucumbers. Harvest cucumbers. And this creates the non-stop harvest cycle that keeps raised beds productive all season. Cucumbers. Comment pick daily if you never realized harvesting frequency affects cucumber production this much. Cucumbers. Most gardeners think raised beds need expensive fertilizers constantly added throughout the growing season. Fertilizer. Cucumbers. But Amish growers feed the soil instead of forcing cucumber plants using strong synthetic fertilizer products. Soil cucumbers. During mid-season, they top-dress beds with compost, allowing nutrients to slowly move downward. Naturally compost cucumbers. This creates stable feeding conditions where cucumber plants continue growing without sudden stress or nutrient imbalance. Soil cucumbers. Some Amish growers also use compost tea made from soaking compost inside water for 24 hours. Compost tea. This liquid carries microbial life directly into the root zone surrounding healthy cucumber plant roots. Soil cucumbers. And this often gives cucumber plants an immediate boost in growth, flowering, and overall plant health. Cucumbers. Which becomes one more reason their raised beds continue producing cucumbers long after others stop. Harvest cucumbers. The real secret behind Amish cucumber growing is not one magical fertilizer or special cucumber seed. Cucumbers. The real secret is building systems where soil, water, airflow, sunlight, and harvesting all work together. Garden cucumbers. Every part supports the next part, creating stable, healthy cucumber plants capable of non-stop fruit production. Harvest cucumbers. And this is exactly why tiny raised beds can produce hundreds of cucumbers during one growing season. Cucumbers. They do not fight nature using chemicals or constantly correcting problems inside stressed garden systems. Garden cucumbers. They create conditions where cucumber plants naturally want to grow, flower, and continue producing healthy fruit. Cucumbers. And this creates gardens producing larger harvest with less stress, less waste, and fewer outside inputs. Harvest cucumbers. Which explains why simple Amish raised beds often outperform much larger modern backyard cucumber gardens. Cucumbers. Cucumbers. A single raised bed can feed a family all summer when the system works correctly. Harvest cucumbers. Healthy soil, strong roots, vertical growth, balanced watering, and regular harvesting completely transform cucumber production. Cucumbers. And once you understand this system, small garden spaces stop looking too small for serious harvest cucumbers. Because the right method always matters more than the amount of land available for gardening. Garden cucumbers. Subscribe now for more traditional gardening systems producing bigger harvests from smaller garden spaces. Cucumbers.